might ask, what is this cooking tray for? It's for this. Kinetic Sand. Kinetic Sand is a very cool, like, sand, and it's, like, very cool. Like, say, like, if you were holding some, it would fall through your fingers like this, sorta. And if you squish it like this, it just falls out of your hands. But if you squish it with both hands, it sort of makes it solid and stuff. And the cool part about this, which I like, is it never dries out. It's very fun to play with, and that's what I'm going to do right now. Yeah. I made these 2 sandcastles with kinetic sand, and here's how I made them. So you put the sand in here. You put it in here till it looks sort of like a milkshake. And then this is why the knife is here, so that I can cut this off. It's so cool. It is super flat at the top. And then you can put this that you cut off inside the other cup. As much as you can. And then, what I did at the start of the video, you turn it upside down and it falls right out. And this looks cool because it's not normal sand. Oh, I have an idea. Let's... I'm going to push more on this side because it didn't really do anything. This looks cool. Look at this. If you want to get some kinetic sand, you can, beg your parents for some. You can get it at toy stores, lots of them. It comes in different colors, not just brownish, grayish. I don't know what color this is. I hope you liked the video. See you for our next video. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.